If you've been following my journey and my battle against Poa Trivialis, you know that it's been a long one and it's been a very expensive one. But I think that this next method that I've decided to use is going to be it for me. No more trying different stuff unless a company comes out and says point blank, this will kill Poa Trivialis. This is going to be my method. So I won't know the actual results, the full results, until spring of next year. Because, well, take a look at the video and you'll see why. So this is something I've never done before. As you can see, there are a few spots over in the yard here. I've actually pulled those up. It's Poa Trivialis that was in the yard. I pulled that up and I've put seed in it. But in this one particular spot, I'm going to try something new, which is take these transplants that I made in the tray. That is Firecracker Lateral Spread Fescue. And I'm going to put them in this area here. It is 2-week update time on the lateral spread plugs, and I'm going to be honest with you, I did not expect to see any type of spreading, and I don't know. I'm going to take pictures and do a side-by-side comparison of when I first put this down and what it looks like now, but take a look at this. Now, it's actually not rooted as much as I thought it was going to be, but it's in there good. I've actually cut over this multiple times already. Nothing's coming up, so it's in there. So far, so good. I don't know if you remember, but this area was actually done a few days after that first spot, so I don't see the same type of spread happening there. And I don't think it's a spread. I just think the grass is like growing outward. It's getting thicker. That's where we are. I also have a new batch brewing in the tray right now. It's doing pretty good. nicely rooted. Still not any spread down here. This is grass clippings. No spread down there. But it's growing. So that's good. And this is the other larger spot. Also growing. It's getting tall. Nicely rooted. But as you can see, no spread, which is expected. It's not expected to spread quickly. This stuff spreads very slowly, so this is a good start in my opinion. I just hope I can make it through the summer. As you can see, there's some fungus around it in the grass. But for this patch here, I don't see any fungus on the actual plugs. So as you can see, I don't quite have the true final results of this last method that I plan to try with this Poa Trivialis. But by the spring of next year, I should know whether the fescue actually spreads any within the area where it was planted. And I should also know how much, if any, of the Poa Trivialis comes back. So stay with me, guys. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you updated, of course. And this might be something that works for you. Who knows?